Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of replacing the battery on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this task: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a compatible replacement battery ready to go as well. Start by turning off your vacuum cleaner and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure safety before starting the disassembly. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 2 screws that hold the battery compartment in place. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover off. You might need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it off if it feels stuck. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips. With the cover off, you will see the battery secured with another set of screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep in mind that the screws can be small, so handle them carefully. After you've removed the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If it's stuck, give it a little wiggle but avoid using excessive force. Now that you have the old battery out, take a moment to clean the internal compartment. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help ensure that your new battery fits snugly and operates efficiently. Next, it's time to install the new battery. Slide it into the compartment, ensuring that the connectors align properly. Once in place, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, it's important to tighten these screws firmly but not overly tight to avoid damaging the battery casing. After securing the battery, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing it back into place. Reinsert the screws to hold the cover securely. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for all your vacuum needs. It's a convenient option that allows you to avoid the hassle of travel. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your vacuum and turn it on. Check for any unusual sounds or performance issues. If everything sounds good, your battery replacement is a success. Before you tackle any repairs, consider that we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to ensure that any other underlying issues are addressed, without any commitment on your part. Now that your Dyson SV12 is back in action, enjoy the improved performance with your new battery. If you ever need assistance in the future, remember that we offer quotes before repair, so you always know what to expect. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.